What if your food business could take orders, handle customers, and send real-time order updates all through WhatsApp automatically? This is possible with BizBuddy, an AI-powered WhatsApp agent built specifically for restaurants and food businesses. A customer sends a voice or text message in English, Urdu, or Roman Urdu. Your AI agent understands instantly and replies in the same language, making ordering smooth and natural for every customer every time. The agent shares your menu as a clean visual image. Customers order exactly what they want at their own pace. And if they're unsure or need a suggestion, our built-in recommendation engine recommends them dishes based on their preferences, helping them decide faster and driving more value for your business. Before confirming, the agent validates the customer's delivery address. If they're outside your delivery zone, the agent politely apologizes and offers a takeaway option, sharing your branch address so they never leave empty-handed. When the order is confirmed, the agent asks for their preferred payment method: cash on delivery, card on delivery, or our secure integrated payment link supporting cards, wallets, and bank transfers. Then it sends a clear order summary for the customer to review. Once confirmed, they receive an instant confirmation with a unique order ID, giving them full confidence and an easy reference. Your team can send live status updates to customers with a single click: preparing, on the way, delivered. Customers stay informed at every step without a single phone call. Are you running multiple branches? No worries, because one BizBuddy AI agent can handle all of them. The agent also manages customer complaints, collecting, tracking, and routing them so nothing slips through the cracks. Behind the scenes, your dedicated dashboard gives you complete control: customer data, complaint management, full order history, and fleet management to track your deliveries in real time. Role-based access means every team member sees exactly what they need, nothing more, nothing less. Smarter orders, happier customers. This is how your AI agent runs your entire food business through WhatsApp. So, ready to automate? Don't miss our free live demo.